Here 3.523 we are going to see linker flags. Link CC linker command used to build programs like Python and underscore test embed default $purified $cc configure underscore ld flags value of ld flags variable passed to the dot slash configure script. Avoid assigning c flags ld flags comma etc so users can use them on the command line to append these values without stomping their preset values. ld flags underscore no dist ld flags underscore no dist is used in the same manner as c flags underscore no dist. Use it when a linker flag should not be part of ld flags once Python is installed. In particular, ld flags should not contain the compiler flag -l for setting the search path for libraries. The -l flags are processed from left to right, and any flags in ld flags would take precedence over user and package supplied -l flags. Configure underscore ld flags underscore no dist value of ld flags underscore no dist variable passed to the dot slash configure script. ld flags ld flags linker flags example -l lib underscore dir. If you have libraries in a non standard directory lib underscore dir, both cpp flags and ld flags need to contain the cell's value to be able to build extension modules using the directories specified in the environment variables. Libs linker flags to pass libraries to the linker when linking the Python executable. Example -lrt ld shared command to build a shared library default @ld shared $py underscore ld flags. bld shared command to build libpython shared library default @bld shared $py underscore core underscore ld flags. py underscore ld flags default $configure underscore ld flags. py underscore ld flags underscore no dist configure underscore ld flags underscore no dist ld flags underscore no dist py underscore core underscore ld flags. Linker flags used for building the interpreter object files.